When was the last time you found yourself thinking, I don't have enough time? Or I wish there were more hours in the day? It's a common complaint. I could do more if only I had more time. There just isn't enough time. I have to go to lectures, study for that test, hit the gym. I have to remember to eat. I want to socialize and spend time with my family, perhaps even learn a new language or learn to play a new instrument. It's just impossible. But then, how do people accomplish great things? There are some people who seem to balance it all out and achieve all the things that they want to. And yet, to some of us, it feels unattainable. We all have the same amount of hours each and every day, and it is up to us to use that time effectively. In this video series, we will be exploring time management and showing you ways to get the most out of your day. So, what is time management? Let's begin by discussing what it's not. It might be called time management, but it's not actually about that. You see, managing time is impossible. It's not like you can acquire more time or rearrange it, try to pause it or fast forward through it. So, time management is a skill that requires you to manage yourself. We cannot try to manipulate time to do more than is humanly possible, but we can manage ourselves. To manage ourselves, we start by figuring out what our priorities are, what keeps us motivated, and the kinds of things that tend to distract us. We then use this self awareness to be more productive and effectively manage ourselves. The goal of time management is not to try and squeeze in an infinite amount of tasks into a finite amount of time. It's not about working harder. Without a clear understanding of our priorities, we end up overcommitted and overwhelmed. We might manage to get out to a lot, but without feeling as if we're getting closer to our goals. By working smarter, we can focus on the tasks that matter the most and eliminate the tasks that don't move us forward. So we've cleared up some of the common misconceptions around time management. So what is time management then? Time management is the ability to use one's time effectively. This skill will help you identify important tasks and plan how to divide your time between specific activities. By working smarter, we can eliminate tasks that do not bring us closer to our goals. Time management is crucial for those who want to achieve success. It is one of the most sought after qualities for employees to have. While increased productivity quite obviously benefits your studies and career prospects, it is also beneficial to your personal life. The benefits of time management have compounding effects. Good time management allows you to accomplish more in a shorter period of time. This increase in your productivity means that you spend less time on distractions. This in turn leads to an increase in your free time, which lets you take advantage of learning opportunities you otherwise wouldn't have had time for. By eliminating distractions and being selective in the opportunities you pursue, you will have increased your focus on the tasks that really matter to you. All of this will see you spending less time stressed and overwhelmed, and overall, these compounding benefits will assist in your pursuit of career success and personal growth. In this video series, we will take you through this skill step by step. First, we will show you how to prioritize. This process begins with some introspection and deciding what you want to achieve in each area of your life. We will also look at ways to reduce your daunting to-do list. Next, we will discuss effective ways to divide up your day. This allows you to look at all the activities and see how they best fit together. Planning will help you ensure you meet deadlines, avoid delays, and work effectively. Once you have an action plan, it is important that you execute it. So in the next video, we will give you guidance to stay motivated, avoid distractions, and stick to your plan. Lastly, we will go over tips and tricks that can help you get started. I hope you have found this video helpful and are eager to begin learning. Head on over to the next video in our series.